So why not I try and set a target of 3 million. So at that point of time, some of my friends thought it was impossible. Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm from Huttons, Asia. Alright, I'm a group district director in the company. I have been in this industry for the past 14 years. I was in the medical industry, so I graduated from biomedical. So I was also previously in the car. I was a car mechanic when I was younger. When I joined Huttons, I wasn't in the best state. I was very broke. Alright, so some of my colleagues who have been with me long enough, they know I don't even have enough money for petrol. Alright, my bank account has got, for example, $15. I will get my friend to transfer me $6 so that ATM can withdraw $20. It wasn't easy. I do not have enough capital to do some of the marketing that I want to do. So I start my day as early as 8 AM. Sometimes I reach office even earlier than the auntie. Essentially, how much time we want to put on in our work, whether is it commitment level, how enthusiastic you are, the amount of effort, time, is very individual. It really depends on how much you want to make from it, from a career. Subsequently, down the couple of years, million-dollar producer became a little bit more common. There were more people getting 1 million. So why not I try and set a target of 3 million. So at that point of time, some of my friends thought it was impossible. So it was a figure that a lot of my friends thought, okay, good luck, you just try your best kind of thing. So I pressure myself very much during the festive season when everybody else was taking their break. So I like to have, the morale, when the first few months is good, then the morale will be there to keep up. Otherwise, I'm afraid the pressure pile up with expectations, it affects my judgment and my performance. Right? I think morale affects your judgment. Judgment is very crucial when you want to do a deal. So it's important for myself to do a little bit better, slightly better during the first part of during the festive period in December and January. To be very honest, I was relieved, very relieved that so it can be done. It is even possible. It's not about bragging or showing off to people, but I just want my teammates, my fellow teammates, to know that everything is possible. As long as you set your mind, you decide on something, work towards it, have the confidence in yourself, and be strong here, and you will be able to achieve the goal that you set for yourself. So I wanted to learn more things. So 2019, I went to explore more commercial. It ended up that my sales was very bad, literally close to zero. I actually kind of wonder, is this the right decision to make? I always wanted to learn new things, but having hit $1 million in 2019, I tried to venture into something and I got zero. At that point of time, my wife was pregnant with a pair of twins. It was a high risk, difficult pregnancy. She has to go for a checkup every week because the survival rate for this kind of situation was pretty low and rare in Singapore, a little bit rare in Singapore. So not in good shape also. I always reminded myself a quote that I shared with the company. It was something like 比你强的人还在努力，比你弱的人还没放弃，你就不能说你无能为力。 throughout my years in Huttons, I felt we are at this point of time, we are doing really very well, and I am very grateful and thankful for all the support that the company, the staff, all the management has given me, and also not forgetting all the staff in the company. All the staff, I can tell you, are very helpful. That's something that a lot of my teammates and myself, we are very grateful. Marcom, accounts, operation, recruitment, all of them are IT, all of them are. We are very professional. We have a very professional bunch of people. Having said so, we are not commercialized to the extent that, hey, it's just business dealing. You know, after 6 you don't call me. You know, I just do my job scope. Jeremy or agents don't come and disturb me, kind of thing. All of them are very helpful. In fact, they all the staff treat me and the Huttons agent as friends more than colleagues, or just kind of a colleague relationship. So I think that helped me a lot. That helped the team a lot, and that's also one of the key reasons why I feel the company is growing at a very good pace. And that's the main reason what set us different from other agencies.